Hello everybody, what's up once again, and welcome back to the show on how you could create a stunning videos and picture posting for your day-to-day life and your business so that you can create and attract more attention to your business so that you can increase your customer, you can increase your sales, and you can increase the amount of likes and share in your social media postings. All right, this is Keon's here, a multi-award winning filmmaker. I've been making film for the past 15 years, and today I'm going to continue to share my experience with you on how you can create stunning videos on your social media postings to increase your visibility and attention. All right, so if you think that any of a friend should be watching this and should be learning something from my sharing, please hit the share button so that he or she can be benefit from my video as well. All right, so today I'm going to discuss with you about the most fundamental element in making a stunning video. All right, so in order to make a video or a picture, you first need to have a gear. Am I right? So this is what I'm purely talking about. All right, just this alone is enough. This is your most wonderful weapon or gear to actually create your stunning videos for your brands, for your business, for your social day-to-day posting. All right, but here's the thing. What are the criteria that you should be looking at in order for you to actually choose a good smartphone, a good camera smartphone? All right, so I will just define as camera phone. All right, what is the criteria of choosing one of these? Okay, so that I hope that you finish watching this entire video, and from the sharing that I'm going to share you, hopefully that you will be able to get the most ideal phone for yourself so that you can be creating great contents in the future, all right? If so happen that you are looking for a new phone. Okay, so this is the first thing that I will be considering. First of all, first and foremost will be a camera that be able to perform under an extreme low light condition. Now, why is this so? I want you to understand one thing, which is, let me just dive you into the technicals a bit more. Imaging, all right, I'm just talking about imaging. An image can only be formed by capturing lights, okay? An image is technically formed by capturing lights. Hence, no image can be formed under a condition of zero lighting. Under a condition of total darkness, there will be no image can be created. So at least you need to have a slight amount of lights in order to create an image, all right? So, and that said, given that your device needs to have at least a ultimate performance under a low light condition. That's why if you have a device that can perform under extreme low light, that will be the most greatest thing, the most greatest gear to have, all right? Understand this, that most of the time we are under a scenario which is indoor, all right? Most of the time, especially businesses that you guys want to shoot a product of your business or your brands or whatever it is, you'll be doing under your you'll be doing in your office most of the time, all right? Some of the time you'll be doing outdoors. Well, that would be great. Wouldn't be any problem. But when you are doing it indoor, most of the time the lights in the indoor condition, right? Although our eyes is seeing pretty bright, but most of the time it is insufficient, all right? Normally when we do professional filmmaking, when we film on a film set, there's a lot of huge and big lighting to really brighten up the entire space in order for us to get great images or great videos, okay? So understand that, and the first point is where you have a gear where it can perform under extreme low light condition. That is the main criteria to look for, right? Number two that comes into my list is storage, all right? Storage is really important. You want to have a great storage because you want to have choices. You want to have options of shots, all right? You don't want to be deleting anything throughout the process when you are shooting, all right? So you need to have a huge storage, or at least a phone that can be able to actually plug in a memory card for you to actually extend the storage as huge as possible, possibly about 500 GB or 1 terabyte. That would be really good. So that along the line, you can have good options of shots to choose for, and you can be able to get the best out of the best, right? All right. If you don't have sufficient storage, you'll be like, oh, I need to delete this in order to continue to shoot and things like that. And that will be criteria number 2. Criteria number 3 will be the built-in image stabilization. Now, please take note that not all devices will have this built-in image stabilization. This is crucially important because at most of the time when we shooting with our phones, we are normally using just our hands, right? Or for most, you probably have a monopod, all right, carrying a monopod or selfie stick around, but you're still walking around, and that will create that shaky motion, which we want to eliminate totally, all right, so that our image looks stunning, our video will look stunning, very smooth. So having this built-in image stabilization will be really great, all right? Criteria number 4 will be battery life, right? We want to have a long battery life so that it can perform in the optimum condition, right? If we would to film something from the start to the end, especially when you are going for vacation, you want to do a travel vlog, for instance, right? You'll be shooting from morning till night possibly because you are having fun the whole day, you're exploring places, all right? And this also comes back to criteria of having a great storage, all right? A good lifelong battery plus the storage will be really good for vlogging a travel video, okay? That is criteria number 4, which is battery life. And these days, a lot of people go live on social media, right? On social media, they will go live for their products, for their service, for their business, right? And the longer the battery can last, the longer you can go live broadcast on your social media sites. Of course, you can be arguing that you can have a power bank to actually support the power source, right? Well, you have to carry another device then, right? And final and the last one, the 5th one will be a great portrait mode. Okay, what does it mean by portrait mode? Which is where you can have your main object in focus and you have the background out of focus, just like what you're seeing on this video, all right, where I'm in focus and the background is slightly out of focus, which is blur. And you have that will be really great. That will make your image or your video much more stand out, all right? If you have a good portrait mode on your camera phone, that will be a plus point, all right? So these are the 5 elements that you can be looking at in order for you to get a new phone, all right? These 5 crucial, most important elements that I will be prefer to have in my phone if I were to shoot any videos, all right? So let me just recap. First is your low light, okay, performing under extreme low light. Second will be storage, all right, or at least having a slot for a memory card. Third will be image stabilization. 4th will be battery life, and 5th and the final one will be your portrait mode, all right? These are the stuff that you can consider. And I'm just going to share you something else, which is this is not a message from any brands, all right? I'm just going to make a disclaimer. This is not any message from any brands, but I can recommend you that a pretty good budget phone, if you have really tight budget, a budget phone that will have most of these criteria, all right, will be the Realme, all right? And the plus point for Realme is that the audio recording for Realme is also really great, all right? The Realme phone is really great for all these criteria: low light, storage, all right, stabilization, portrait, as well as the plus point is the audio quality is also very, very powerful. Okay, so that is all for my sharing this time. I hope you really enjoyed, and I hope that you managed to learn something at least to start produce a great stunning videos, pictures for your brands, for your business, so that you can generate more attention and for your day-to-day social posting. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Follow me on my social sites, in my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and most important is the Telegram channel. All right, the Telegram group, that the link is somewhere around this video posting. Please find out and please join the Telegram group so that you guys can get first-hand information before I launch and release my next episode video, or whenever I go live on my Facebook page. All right, so do like, subscribe, and share, and follow the Telegram group. All right, I will see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching this, and remember to share this to your friend. All right, thanks, and see you again.